Hello friends, today we will discuss the topic strings in Python. Strings in Python are enclosed in double quotes or single quotes. Both are permitted in Python. So suppose you want to assign the value hello or the text hello to the variable a, then you can give it in the double quotes or single quotes. So if I want to print the value of variable a, I give it in the print command and it displays a string value hello. You can assign a multi-string to a variable by using three quotes. Suppose I want to write hi, I am learning Python. It is really cool. So suppose I'm writing a multi-line string. So I need to give it in three quotes. So if I print this value, I can get the output. So this is how the three quotes work for strings. Square brackets can be used to access elements of the string. So suppose I write a double quotes hello world. And I don't want to print the entire thing. I just want a single element at the index 1 to be printed. So it gives me E, not H. Watch out for that because the indexing starts from 0, not from 1. So the number 1 indicates the second element. So in this case, it is E. So E gets printed. Now suppose I want to get the length of the string. So if I want to get the length of this particular string, which is stored in the variable a, so I can give the length command a and it gives me 11. So it gives me the length of this entire hello world. Okay, all right. Now we come to an important topic of strings called slicing. So now what is slicing? So if we want to return a range of characters, we can use the slice syntax. So you can specify the start index and the end index separated by a colon. So suppose I give b is equal to, again I use the same text, hello world. All right. So if I give this and I want to print a certain range of characters. So suppose I write this. Okay, so let's check what do we get. So I get LLO. So just as I said, it starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2. So the second element is letter L. LLO. So means second, third, and fourth will come. And the last element is not included. So if I give the start range as 2, end range I give as 5. So it will start from 2, but it will not include the last or the end element, whatever the number I have given. So it will give me second, third, and fourth element. So I get LLO, but I will not get the fifth element, which is comma in this case. So that is how slicing works. Suppose, take another example. If I just give, I give b colon 5. So I get hello. Now, how's that? So I've not given the start range. I've only given the end range. So starting from the 0th element to the 4th element, everything gets printed. So that's how I get hello. So again, one more thing to add here is if I give print B and I give the start range and I don't give the end range, then what? See, so I get LLO and the rest of the statement. So there is no end range. So there is no limit where it will end, but there is an indication from where it will start. So if you see the second element is L. So it starts from L and goes till the end because no end index is given. That's why. Now negative indexing. So if I write print B and I give -5, -2. Let's see what happens. So I get WOR. So negative index means I have to start from the end. So I start from the end. So when I start from the end, see if I check it, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 0 in the or the alphabet O in word to letter T. So D is not included in this case. D is not included. So this is included. Start from this one and it will go till the end element, but the T part will not be included. Okay. So this is how the negative indexing works. Now suppose I give A is equal to space and I give hello and I give word. Again, I give a space and this one. Now, if I want to remove the space, what is the command to remove the spaces? So I will give print and I will have to give A, which is the variable name, whatever is the variable name, and the command is strip. Strip and that's all. So it removes the white space. So that is how the white space gets removed. Now suppose I want to remove an alphabet. So or replace an alphabet. So what I need to do is again I use the print command and I use the variable name replace and suppose I want to give alphabet H. I want to replace this one with alphabet J. Okay. So if I do so, so I get cello word. So the letter H gets replaced with a letter G. Now, suppose I need to split it. I need to split this one. What is the command? I will use print A, which is the variable name, dot split, and I will give whatever the splitting basis is. In this case, I want to split on the basis of comma. And see, it gets splitted into two words, hello and word separately. I get two substrings separately. So this is how split works. So when we work with strings, we need to use all these commands at various places. So there it is helpful. So there is a lot more on strings which I will be covering in my next video. So stay tuned in. Thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.